welcome to Parametric Planet. In this video, I would like to talk about the functionality of this remote control panel in Grasshopper. And you can find this panel if you go to the View tab in Grasshopper, and there is this option of remote control panel. If you select this one, you will find this additional small window or control panel in your Rhino viewport. Basically, this remote control panel allows you to change your input parameters of your workflow remotely without opening your Grasshopper canvas file. You can minimize this one and you can just change your parameters with the help of this remote control panel. So how does this panel works and how you can add those input parameters? It's very simple. These are three input parameters which I want to change in my workflow. And if I want to publish these sliders in my remote control panel, simply I need to right click on this slider and there is this option of publish to remote control panel. If I select this one, you can see that this slider is published in this remote control panel. Similarly, this one and this one also. You can also add the buttons, value list, check boxes, and also this color. So let me add this one also. This one also appeared in my remote control panel. So if I make any changes through this remote control panel, you can see that in my Grasshopper canvas, the slider is also changing, and in Rhino viewport, it also changes the dimensions of my box. And similarly, this height parameter also, and the face displacement also. And if I want to change the color, I can click on this one. I can change the color of these arrows. And if I want to add the color of the faces, simply publish, and I can change the colors here. Now, if I minimize this one, I can just make the changes here. This remote control panel comes in very handy if you have a large workflow and your sliders or other options are distributed all over your workflow. So with the help of this one, you can change those parameters easily. And if you want to make any changes in this panel, then you have to choose this edit mode. You can add this group separator, you can add the custom labels, you can add the new groups also, and you can also change the arrangement of these sliders. When you are in edit mode, you cannot make any changes in these sliders. You can only change the arrangements. You cannot change the value. So you have to remove this edit mode. If you remove this one, and now you can make these changes in this in these sliders. So that's how you can create this remote control slider and change your parameters remotely without opening your Grasshopper canvas.